Hi everybody, this is Tree. So hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, well, this is the final episode, the final video I'm gonna do for my Stranger Things Leading Ladies series. And so as I told you in my last video, I'm gonna save the best for last for Erica. And yeah, I'm gonna do her video again because if you want to see I'll see if I can post the video with the her brother and which is Lucas and Erica Sinclair. I just feel like doing it again. All right. Before I start the eye tutorial part, I already put on this the blush and the lip gloss. Lip gloss. They're from MAC, the Stranger Things collection. So the blush that I'm wearing is Friends Don't Lie, and then the lip gloss is uh, excellent Erica. It's a beautiful coral lip. Okay, let's get started on the eyeshadow. I feel that there's not too many shadows compared to the other characters because I can't think of any creatures that either attacked or tried to attack her or whatever, or so let's get started on that one. So I already put some kind of concealer as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna go by palettes and all that stuff. I'm gonna start with MAC's class of 1986. Since she always since the other kids like Steve, Robin, Dustin, they bribe her with free ice cream and stuff, and she insists she get free ice cream for helping them deal with Russians and all that stuff. We're gonna go to Starcourt Mall. Spends a lot of time in there. I'm gonna put Starcourt Mall, which is this cute bubblegum pink color. I'm gonna put it on the crease as my transitional shade. Do it again one more time. Why not? It's the 80s. Okay, that's that. I'm still gonna look around. I'm planning to use another eyeshadow shade. I guess why not? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead. I just want to put one shade at a time, one palette at a time, and then put it away. It's not that many shadows. So I'm gonna take my flat. Excuse me. I'm gonna take. I'll try this again. I'm gonna take this pencil brush. This is Morphe's. What is it? The fudge. Ooh, that's a cool song. M431. I'm going to take this beautiful, like, bronzy, shimmery shade called USS Butterscotch. I guess you can say some of the, because she always goes to Starcourt Mall all the time because of Scoops Ahoy, to help Steve, Robin, and Dustin with the, especially season 3 and stuff like that with codes and all that stuff. Practically similar to, because of the Starcourt Mall and Scoops Ahoy, it's similar to Steve and Robin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the inner corner. You can use a pencil brush. Ooh, I like the song Impossible. My family is watching The Voice. You can hear. I believe they should be already in the knockout round already. Damn, that's freaking good. Okay. So that's that from this palette. I'm just looking. Yeah. And then I'm gonna use one more shade, and it's from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna use this like greenish turquoise eyeshadow color called Erica, the star of the show, my look. So I'm just gonna put it simply on the lid. Practically like pat it also. So put on my lid. Maybe I should do another what artists I would love to see be a coach on The Voice. Also, there's a lot of, I noticed there's some actors slash musicians um out there, who have had albums and stuff like that, or working on music at the same time as they're acting. Maybe I should do another video like that. If actors were to be, what actors would be good for voice coaches. I know, and I don't. Maybe might not be a good idea for you guys. Okay, let me finish this look. I'm gonna go. I'll just use the same flat shader brush to put this Eka shade on my lower lash line, 3/4 of it. Okay. Softer than this one. It's a pencil brush. It's a little too harsh. Anything else? No, that's about it. Okay, that concludes my Stranger Things leading lady makeup tutorial inspired series. Anything else I want to say? Speaking of like musicians, um Priya's co-star Joe Keery is his band Joe is going to as you guys know that any fans of Joe Keery and his band Joe, they're in the middle of a world tour. So I just learned that since tomorrow's the first day of April, I heard that within 2 weeks from now, as of tomorrow, I learned that Joe will be performing in Pomona, called Fox Theater. I'm trying to see if I can get some tickets. I have to go to work during the daytime, so I don't know if I'll have the energy strength to go to that show and stuff like that. I hope so. I want to see him badly. I do like his music and stuff like that, and not just because I'm a big fan of him and show and stuff like that. And so anything else? Okay, that's it. Until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out. Bye.